Hi, today I want to share with you my 3 favorite exercise band exercises for your upper body that give you a lot of bang for your effort. My name is Roxanne and I'm a physical therapist with PT Health Academy. With these exercises, you're going to get some rotator cuff strengthening, you're going to get some upper back strengthening, you're going to get some good mobility work in your shoulder blades and your upper back, and there's also some grip strength improvement that's going to happen. The first exercise, you're going to grab the band with both palms up, you're going to tuck your elbows in at your sides, you're going to find your neutral and hold that, and then open up the band, pinching your shoulder blades together in the back. So really squeezing those shoulder blades to get that band open. It's important that you make sure that you maintain this good position so that you're not hyperextending through your back to try to open up the front and pinch those shoulder blades together in the back. Keep all this good and neutral with each repetition. The second exercise is called a chest pull. You're going to grab the band now with both palms down, wrists are straight. You're going to open up that band until it hits you in the chest, pinching your shoulder blades together in the back. Again, still maintaining that low back neutral position, not hyperextending with every rep. Wrists are straight. Make sure that you don't let your wrists flop forward. Wrists stay straight. This is a good one for grip strength. The final exercise, you're going to have one palm down and one palm up. The down palm goes at your hip and the up palm goes straight up over your head, leading with your thumb into half of a Y. You're kind of creating an X across your body with the movement of that arm, stretching the TheraBand across you. As you go up and over, that shoulder blade's going down and back behind you, and you're still maintaining that good neutral position, not hyperextending or twisting as you pull that band up over your shoulder. That one may require you to loosen up a little bit on the band. That's probably the hardest of the 3 exercises. If you do each of those 3 exercises for 10 to 15 reps, that's 30 to 45 reps of really good work in your upper body. If you need help with these exercises, give me a call. I would love to work with you. Thank you so much for listening.